how to fix call ended problem on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix the call ended problem on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you're trying to call a certain type of number for some reason and then it simply says call ended instead of the call ringing it, the very first thing you want to check is whether or not the number is correct, because sometimes whenever the number is incorrect on your Android phone, you will not be able to call this number if it really doesn't exist. The other thing you have to check is your cellular tower connection. So just look at the top whether or not you have a cellular data tower over here, and once you make sure of that only, be in a place where you have enough connection strength, and then you should be able to make a call. The next thing you have to do is to simply actually check your balance. So sometimes what happens is that if you don't have a balance as well, so depending upon the carrier that you use, just check the balance on your phone and then just see how much balance you have left, because if you don't have balance you will not be able to go ahead and then basically take a certain amount of subscription or maybe try to call somebody or so on. Now sometimes what happens is that they could have also potentially blocked you, so to figure this out you can try to call another number and see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.